Have you ever imagined that the moon is not as quiet as it seems? On a peaceful night, when you look up at the glowing moon, it might seem like a calm and still place, a perfect nightlight painted in the sky. However, did you know that just like Earth, the moon shakes too? These mysterious tremors are called moonquakes, and they have intrigued scientists for years. Unlike earthquakes, which are caused by the movement of tectonic plates, moonquakes have a slightly different story. Let's rocket off to the moon to learn about them. Moonquakes can be categorized into 4 types: deep moonquakes, thermal moonquakes, meteorite impacts, and shallow moonquakes. Imagine each type with a fun twist. First, let's visit the deep moonquakes. These quakes are like the rumbling giggles of the moon's core. Unlike Earth, which has a hot, molten core, the moon's core is cooler and creates these quakes when it flexes and contracts. It's as though the moon is sighing in its sleep, way down deep. Next up are thermal moonquakes. Picture the surface of the moon like a chilly ice cream in space. During the moon's long, cold night, the surface cools down, and when the sun rises, it warms up quickly. This expansion and contraction cause a delightful crackling, similar to what you hear when chocolate sauce hardens on ice cream. Meteorite impacts are straightforward. Imagine a cosmic bowling alley where space rocks crash into the moon. These impacts can cause the moon to momentarily shiver with surprise, creating a quake. It's as if the moon is saying, "Ouch!" with each tiny nibble from space. Lastly, there are shallow moonquakes, the strongest of them all. Think of these as the moon's version of a belly laugh, shaking it from its core. These shallow quakes are still a mystery, and scientists believe they may be related to cracks in the moon's crust, much like the wrinkles on an old and wise face. So next time you gaze at the moon, remember that beneath its serene appearance, the moon experiences its own little earthquakes. Scientists are still studying these fascinating moonquakes, trying to learn more about our lunar friends' mysterious wobbles. As we continue exploring, who knows what more secrets the universe will uncover about the moon and beyond. Until then, keep wondering and dreaming, because the world of science is as big as our imaginations.